Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to turn off YouTube Shorts captions. Do you want to disable captions on YouTube Shorts because they are distracting? In this video I'll show you how to turn off captions on Shorts for both mobile and desktop. So let's follow these few simple steps together. The first step is to turn off captions on mobile. And to do that, just open the YouTube app and go to the Shorts section right here by clicking on the Shorts option. After that, play the short video you want to turn off the captions for, and click on the three dots to open the menu right here in the top right corner. Click on the three dots. Now after that, select captions and choose turn off captions. As you can see here, I already chose to turn off captions. Select turn off captions, and as you can see the captions are turned off. The second step is to turn off captions on desktop, and to do that just open YouTube Shorts in your web browser and click the CC button at the bottom right of the video player, and then select turn off captions. As for the third step is to disable auto captions in settings, and to do that just open the YouTube app again and click on your profile picture and click on the gear icon to access the settings. And here go to the caption settings by selecting captions from the settings right here, and then toggle auto generated captions off, or even you can disable all the captions as you can see by toggling this option. And that's it. Now you know how to turn off captions on YouTube Shorts. Follow these steps to watch shorts without subtitles. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.